Hello friends, I hope you do quite well, and here 20 brochure bundles for Adobe InDesign and Adobe Illustrator. But these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Just one time payment for lifetime access, and then you have access of my all file. Okay. Here 20 folder, all files for Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign. Here InDesign file, and here for Adobe Illustrator EPS A4 and US letter size. Okay, so you can customize in Adobe Illustrator. Profile, portfolio, and annual report color version. These are CMYK color. Vector element. Okay, these files are InDesign. Pink and blue widget. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.